Okay guys, I bought this universal roof rack crossbar. It's the 47 inch, and I'm gonna put it on my 2023 Crosstrek. Okay, so this is like the open box review and install. Okay, so all the packages are packaged really nice. Okay, it's got the manual right here, piece of rubber, okay, two of these, and then the crossbars, okay, right here, nicely bagged and everything. Okay, so I'm gonna do the install in a little bit, and please come and join me. I will put down the link and the item name down below in the description, so check that out. Okay.
Hey.
Okay, so I'm just putting this here and to see if I can measure the length of this piece of weather strip of rubber to put on the other underneath here. Okay, so you're gonna have to slide this all the way through. So right now I'm doing this so I can measure where I need, how long I need to cut from here to over there when I insert this. Okay, so I haven't screwed this in yet. Okay, you can lift this out, it's not locked yet. Okay, so I'm gonna measure right here with the piece of chalk. Okay, and then I'm gonna do the other side too. Okay, so once you put it on the roof rack and you measure it, okay, this is to the edge. Okay, so I'm gonna measure like this, and then I will cut the piece of rubber. Okay, so once you measure on the roof rack where how long your bar extends, you measure where you mark it. Okay, and take this rubber weather strip and okay, so up to here. Okay, okay, so once you measure it, you're gonna cut it. Okay, right here. Okay, so once you put it on the roof and you measure how far from one edge here to the other, when you expand it, you mark it and then you cut it. Okay, I'm gonna use the scissors, it's much easier. Okay, so once you cut it, you're gonna have to thread it right here. Okay, at the edge, from one end to the other. So you're just gonna thread it here. The manual is not that clear and specific, so I'm gonna do this so you follow me, it'll be much easier. Okay, so just slide it through here. Okay, so wash it, okay. Tight up. Once this gets to the edge, it's gonna be very hard to do. So I'm using something like this, or like a flat or a screwdriver, and you just push it like this. Okay, push it over there. Okay, so once it's here like that, that's good. So that's right to there, yeah, right up to there. Okay, so that's the rubber weather strip. Okay, preventing water or dirt or dust, from going in there. This is gonna be the underneath, okay? And then on the end cap, what you need to do is screw that back here, and see that smaller triangle and the big triangle here, okay? This is the front, this is the back. So once you put this, you'll flip this over, okay, like that. So let me put this in real quick. Okay, like that, and then put the end cap on, okay? Should snap on easily like that, okay? Okay, so once you put your bar on up here, all you need to do is put it down like this and snap it in place, okay? And then push the inner part and the outer part together so it'll clamp to your roof rack up here, okay? And then once it's on there, all you need to do is screw this screw really tight, okay? So this side, that side will come and clamp this together. All the tools are provided, okay? All in the bag. So turn it, make sure it's tight, okay?
It's not tight yet, so.
And I would recommend from time to time, just kind of use your key and take this part out and just check if it's still nice and firm and tight in here, okay? Okay, so once you done screwing that in and tighten it up, just put the key back in there and lock it up nice and tight, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna do this the other side, okay? The same thing. Slide this in and push both the clamp tight, okay? And then just do the same thing as I did on the other side. Screw it in, okay? Since this side is very dark and we're in the shade, you're not gonna be able to see it, but just repeat the steps I did on the other side, okay? Same thing as before. Your rack and your crossbar are the same length, so cut your weather strip rubber to the same size. You can just insert through here on this side or either side, okay? And then just push it in. Use this to push it in, okay? And okay, one more thing I want to stress out here is that this screw right here, hex screw right here, you shouldn't take it out too far, okay? Just only to the edge. That should be enough to like right there, only to the edge right there, okay? You don't need it open too far, because once that screw comes out, it's gonna be a little bit hard for you to thread it back in. So this is enough gap right here to clip onto your bars on the top, okay? So once you do that, just thread in on the edge and slide that in, okay? Okay, and then do the same thing on the other side, okay? Just repeat the process for all sides, okay? Unscrew, okay, use your key, take that out, unscrew and make that thing, unscrew all the way back to there, okay? But don't go all the way out. Okay, so this is the second one. Okay, after you unscrew this a little bit, open these clamps right here. Okay, put it back in the car and clamp it back in and screw it in. Okay, and then after that, you just cover this right here with the key. So the finished product, walk around. Okay. From the front.